Okay guys, what we will cook today? We will cook a Korean dish. We will cook kimchi. What you need? Around 2 kg of cabbage, rock salt, 1 daikon or white radish, 10 pieces of garlic, some spring onions, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 1 apple, a little of ginger, chili flake, 2 spoons of sambal, some soya sauce, apple vinegar, fish sauce, rice vinegar. Now we start to cut the cabbage. Now just we slice here and we open like this. We will do again here, open like this. I will put in the box and after I will show you for the salt. All the cabbage are cut and we start to put the rock salt. Your cabbage, your rock salt, and be sure you put everywhere. You need to put in the salt for minimum 2 hours. We start to cook a little, so we start to have some liquid going outside. It's for this one after it will be soft to put in the marination. Every 30 minutes or 20 to 30 minutes we will come and we mix a little, we turn the cabbage inside. Okay, now what we will do, we'll do the base of the kimchi. It's like a porridge, you know, we will put some water, around half a liter. You can already put the flour inside, 2 spoons, and just you mix like this. So you can see start to be a little sticky. Now, normally you can use rice flour, but I don't have. So now I will add my 2 spoons of sugar inside. Okay, now we will mix the garlic, the ginger and the onion together. I will put in the small bowl. Okay, now we slice all the vegetable and the apple. We need to cut everything in bâtonnet, the daikon. Now you need to know the kimchi, we have a lot of different recipes. Now everybody can do a different. The carrot and this one. So you can see all the vegetables are there and the fruit, the apple. Now we need to wait. Now the cabbage is already around 20 minutes. We'll turn, you can see we have some water already there. Now we just need to turn. They start to cook in the salt. You can see it's coming already soft. Back for 30 more minutes. Now we will start the kimchi sauce. This one, now I will put here fish sauce, soya sauce, the mix apple vinegar, the rice vinegar, the sambal, the garlic, onion, ginger, and the chili. Now the chili is depend of you. Or you put 150, 100 depend if you want spicy, not too spicy, and you mix all together. We will put the vegetable and the apple inside and you mix. Okay, after 2 hours, now we can check the cabbage is already cooked with the salt, full of water here. We need to rinse with the water and after I will add the mix. It's very important, you need to really take out all the salt. What is important to do also, this part you cut because it's too hard. And after you put here, and it's the same as the salt, leaf by leaf, you need to put the mix like this everywhere and you will put inside a plastic box. On this one you can eat fresh like this, if you don't like too much acidity, but the best way to eat this one is after 5 days. It can start to be good to eat. After, for the Korean people, and if really you like, can be 1 month, 2 months in your chiller, but to be honest, I'm not ready to eat strong like this. Now I will go for a week first and we will see how strong is it, if it's too much acid or not. Now you need to press always in the box like this. Okay, now it's finished. I put everything inside. So now you press and you put in your chiller, and after 3 days you will see, you can start to see some bubble and the acidity is coming. I hope you enjoy the video. Just be safe and be healthy.